Today, let us see the one-mark vocabulary exercise. Write these one-mark questions at the back side of your grammar note. Let us start with compound words. A compound word is a word when two words with two different meanings join to form a new word with another new meaning. Butter plus fly, butterfly. Rain plus coat, raincoat. Foot plus ball, football. Cup plus cake, cupcake. It can be written in three ways: open compounds, closed compounds, hyphenated compounds. Compound words may take any part of speech like noun, verb, adjective, adverb, pronoun, gerund, etc. In this exercise, one word of the compound will be given. We have to find out the suitable pair word from the given alternatives. Let us see prefixes and suffixes now. What is a prefix? Prefix can be defined as a letter or group of letters attached to the beginning of a root word. Example, multinational. Prefixes usually change the meaning of the root word, or it makes a new word. Now we can see suffix. Suffix can be defined as a letter or group of letters attached to the end of a word. Example, clearly. American English differs from British English in spelling, pronunciation, and vocabulary. Abbreviations and acronyms. Abbreviation. Abbreviation means short. It is a shortened form of a word or phrase by any method. It may also consist of initials, a mixture of initials and words or letters. Abbreviation usually begin with a capital letter and it is spelled as a separate letters. Example, ATM, SBI. Acronyms. Acronyms are formed from the initial letters of other words and pronounced as a single word, not as separate letters. Example, NASA. SIM. Clipped words. Clipping means shortening. It involves the shortening of a longer word, often reducing it to one syllable. Example, mathematics. It had been shortened and we call it as maths. There are 3 types of clipping. They are front clipping, back clipping, front and back clipping. Front clipping, we can see with an example. Handkerchief, we have to remove the word hand and we have to say it as kerchief. So this is, we are removing the word in front of the full word and making it as a short word, kerchief. So it is called front clipping. Back clipping. Laboratory. We are clipping the word at the back side of the full word. Oratory is removed and we are calling it as lab. Back part is removed in this full word. Front and back clipping. Example, refrigerator. We are removing the letters orgi in front and rator at the back. And we are saying it as fridge. This is front and back clipping. Homophones or confusables. Homophones are words with same pronunciation, but they have different spellings and different meanings. Let us see some examples. Read. Read means reading, go through. Red, color. Arms, charity. Arms are hands. Beach, a kind of tree. Beach, seashore. Steal, taking others' things without their knowledge. Steel, iron. Vain, nerve. Vain, wasteful. Confusables. Confusables are words that are commonly confused with one another in meaning or usage because of slight similarities in spelling, pronunciation, or meaning. Some confusing pairs or confusing words. Artist, a person talented in arts. Artist, singer or an actor. Human, human means of mankind. Human, kind. Beside, beside means near. Besides, besides means in addition to. Let us see the phrasal verbs. A phrasal verb is a combination of main verb and an adverb or preposition, or both adverb and preposition. Meaning of the phrasal verb differs from the root word. Now let us see the right definition of some words. For example, define ecology. Ecology is a study of the relationship between living organizations and their environment. Similarly, there are specific words for different types of phobias and manias. Example, theophobia. Theophobia means fear of God. Bibliomania, a craze for books. Like this, we have some specific words for various studies also. Toxicologist, one who studies about poisons.